I like your head. Nice.
Mira.
I like it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Spirit Airlines would like to welcome you to the Fort Lauderdale area with local time is approximately 7:40 p.m. Please remain seatbelt fit until the captain does turn off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins. You may now use your cellular phones or wireless email devices. If you are continuing on another Spirit Airlines destination, please check the monitors in the terminal or ask a Spirit agent for your flight and gate number information. Check baggage may be claimed at Spirit's baggage claim area. Customers need special assistance today, such as a wheelchair. Please remain seated until the majority of the passengers have deplaned. This will help us better assist you. And wheelchairs will not be available to the end of the deplaning process. We invite you to visit our website at spiritair.com, where you can check in online at our comments about your flight experience, get great low fares on future flights, car rentals, hotels, vacation packages, and even cruises. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We take pride in being the first ultra-low-cost carrier in the Americas, and look forward to offering you the best low fares the next time you fly with us.
Thank you.
They're showing 8:30. Probably because they
Remind me, we have to actually right? I don't want to show up again. No, for real. It pisses me off.
once he stops, he goes on.
Pisses me off, for real.
You won't have a problem with that.
I'm gonna kill that guy. If he asks me, no, was you supposed to be ready to come back and life? Remember your stay. Ladies, I'm with me. It's communication.
Back home already? Alright. Get off the plane. Yeah. Yeah, I know, I probably would. So. I thought I would. Yeah, I'm tripping.